Hey, I'm Madeleine Shaw and I'm here in the Mindful Chef kitchen cooking up one of my 15-minute recipes which is available throughout March. This is my spicy chickpea taco bowl. So the first step is that we're going to cook up the chickpeas. So I've got this pan nice and hot. I'm going to add in some smoked paprika, some allspice, some cumin, and toast the chickpeas until they're nice and golden. So we're going to make the salsa. So I've got a cucumber that I'm going to chop up finely. I'm going to add into that beef tomato diced, a mango finely chopped. Then we're going to add in some spices. We've got mint, coriander, a jalapeno, and this adds a nice bit of fire. And we're going to mix these all together with some lime juice. So to plate up, we're just going to pop the salsa into your bowl. We've got really nice Mexican flavors coming through with the cumin and the smoked paprika, and I feel like you can't have Mexican food without avocado. My spicy chickpea taco bowl, crafted by me, cooked by you, available now.